This is the elevator at Kmart Penn Station. We're gonna ride this one for those guys that you requested me to do this.
3467
Invasive security, just like the other one. It's in separate controls. It's the only elevator that's ever found. Oh, how wonderful. This is a death trap, I think. Can't go down to B because basically it's a cellular level. Ugh, I hate that buzz. Oh, where are we going now? Really? Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate that buzz, please. Give you guys a cab. Very disgusting. Wow. Just wow. Oh my god. And there's a push-in phone, 88 compliant. You're probably going to need that in case you get stuck. Oh my god. This thing is terrible. Ooh. Ooh. Has abrasions. Going down? Going down?
Yeah.
What level are you guys?
2. Or whatever that is, home.
C?
Concourse.
Yeah, Concourse is Penn Station level.
That's exactly about the food.
Whoa!
What? Are we stuck? No.
No, not at all.
At least I figure KONE is maintaining this.
Then she can spray water into the pool.
Oh my. Concourse. Well, let's see how the other one's doing. There's only 2 MontgomeryKONE's elevators in this city. Come on. Wait, what?
Come on.
Oh, it's in separate controllers. Really? Yep, it's a dead indicator. I really don't trust this thing. Alright, let me give you guys a cab view, but I didn't get a chance though. I think I gotta get out of here. It's got a push button phone, just like the other one. Oh! Let's go back down to I. This elevator is like a total dangerous death trap. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm getting out of here. Way to go, KONE. MontgomeryKONE. Off leveled. Here's your generic or GL interlock. Double GL interlock. Triple GL interlock it is. And that's it.